In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine. It is located in the engine area. You have to remove your air filter housing and your air filter snorkel tube. By doing that, take a pair of pliers, squeeze this connector, and this line pulls off. Remove your connector. Onto your lower clamp at your throttle body, which is a 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that clamp. Then up to the top clamp, same thing, 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that. Pull your tube off your air cleaner box, and then off your throttle body. Put that off to the side. Then you want to remove your wiring clips. You can come underneath it, squeeze, pull up. Same thing back here. Push your tab down, then you can pull out, like that. Unplug your mass airflow sensor by pushing down and pulling straight out. Put your wire off to the side. Now you have your air filter cover, which is these clamps. Push down. Then you have one clip back here. You just want to push it off to the side, like that. Now you can remove your lid, slide it off to the left and out. Remove your air filter, then you have your air filter. Slide it, push it down, make sure it's seated. Before you install your top part of your air filter box, you have your 3 clips. Just make sure those are out of the way and not underneath the lid. Take your lid, slide in to your right and down. Clip your 3 clips. Make sure it's secure. Now you have your mass airflow sensor plug. Clip that in there. This clips onto the box. Wait for the click. Take your air inlet tube, put your clamp on first. Slide it over your throttle body. Take your clamp, spread your clamp, put your pipe on. Now install it onto the box. Tighten your clamps. And just make sure your connections are good, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.